everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare red lentil cream for skin whitening and anti-aging. So for this I had taken a bowl and I'm going to add 1 spoon of red lentil dal and I'm going to add 1 cup of water. So let this red lentil soak for overnight. Now take the soaked red lentil dal and blend it into a smooth paste. Stir it well before blending. Now strain the blended lentil paste using a strainer and collect the liquid of red lentil. If you don't want to use strainer, you can also use a white cotton cloth to strain this mixture as well. This red lentil dal has antioxidants which minimize anti-aging by repairing damaged cells and tissues. So for now I'm going to add 2 spoons of aloe gel. You can also use fresh aloe gel if it is available to you. This aloe vera gel has many benefits to our skin as it moisturizes and repairs dead cells. Also reverse the skin aging. So mix this mixture well. Make sure it forms a thick creamy paste as shown in the video clip. So here the consistency is thick. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of sweet almond oil. Sweet almond oil reduces puffiness, treats dry skin and also improves skin tone and skin complexion. So after adding badam oil, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of vitamin E oil, or you can also use a vitamin E capsule. Vitamin E oil has many benefits to our skin as it reverses premature skin aging and it prevents wrinkles. It also lightens dark scars. It moisturizes the skin. So after adding all this, mix it well. Make sure it combines perfectly. So our red lentil cream is ready to use. You can store this in a container. Apply this cream as a day cream or night cream, or you can also use it as a moisturizer. So transfer this cream into a airtight container. You can store this cream up to 15 days. Red lentil cream for skin whitening and anti-aging is ready. Now let me show you how to apply this cream. Take a small amount of this cream and apply onto your skin by gently massaging it in a circular motion. Massage it for about 2 to 3 minutes and leave this cream on your skin for overnight and rinse it off the next morning. You'll get a clear glowing skin. So if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to Homey Stuff. Thanks for watching.